Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.